Hello everybody, welcome to another episode of Onrain Tech Corner, the corner of the web where we talk about tech. And today we're going to be unboxing this Nintendo Switch Super Smash Bros. Controller by PowerA. Let's get started. I bought this controller mainly because it looks like a GameCube controller and it looks like something neat to try out. Now I know some of these controllers will probably have the GameCube end, which means I need the GameCube adapter. I don't know if they still sell those, but this looks like it could be just like a regular Nintendo Switch controller. Let's unbox it and see what comes out. Okay, so we do have the controller here. It's a nice Nintendo Switch controller box. It's officially a licensed product by PowerA. And it says Nintendo GameCube style. Now I'd like to find out if it still uses the GameCube plug. Well, let's crack this thing open and see if it does. Okay. Has nice little cabling. Okay, before we get to the controller, let's take a look at this cable. And it is USB, so it may not be compatible with the GameCube, which is fine. Put it aside. And here we got the manual. And it is one of those multilingual manuals. Not opening up any more of them. And here we got the actual controller. Now, it does look like a GameCube controller. Let's take it out of the package. Feels way lighter than a GameCube controller. Buttons feel good though. Oh man. I thought that was going to be way better. I'm already starting to have my doubts about this. The R and L buttons are literally replaced with the ZL and RL. So you don't have that analog control. Then you got the two buttons here. There's no actual start button. But with all that being said, the C stick and the analog stick actually feels pretty good. The buttons feel nice and clicky. Graphics seem pretty good. Now I did get the Super Mario Brothers one. I think that's what they call it. Yep, Super Mario. But overall, it seems like it's going to be pretty good. Yeah, it's definitely going to be interesting to try out with an emulator or something. Alright, and that's going to do it for us this video. Thank you very much for watching. If you'd like to see more videos, you can wait for the annotations at the end of the video for more suggestions. If you'd like to support this channel, please hit that like button and hit that subscribe button. That would be greatly appreciated. You can also follow me on Twitter, handles down in the description below. Thank you very much for watching, and have a good one, everybody.